appalled by a 6-year delay in investigating the Cash for Jobs scam in Haryana Staff Selection Commission, wherein candidates were asked to pay to get their names on the selection list. The Punjab and Haryana High Court has asked the Haryana government why the matter was not handed over to CBI. In May 2018, the High Court directed the sealing of answer books and results of the exam conducted for Operation Theatre Assistance Post and for the case to be handed over to the State Vigilance Bureau, now the Anti Corruption Bureau. However, ACB has not completed the probe till date. The state is directed to file a status report and apprise the court of reasons that have delayed the finalization of the investigation report. It is informed that the said investigation is pending since 2018 and still remains inconclusive. The state shall also furnish why the investigation should not be transferred to any other agency, including CBI, in case it remains inconclusive, the High Court observed in its order. The court has fixed May 9 as the date of next hearing in the case. The orders were passed by Justice Vinod Bhardwaj while hearing a petition filed by Sunita Devi and others who appeared for HSSC exam. The result was declared in March 2018. The petitioners in this case alleged that the selection for the post of Operation Theatre Assistant is tainted as the day prior to declaration of the result, petitioners started receiving calls from mobile numbers specified in the petitions asking them to deposit rupees 50,000. In some cases, 80,000 was demanded. In a particular account, details of which have also been given in the petitions if they wanted to get selected. The caller had all the details of the petitioner. The petitioner in this case claimed that their names were in the selection zone, but their roll numbers were not included in the selection list by the officials of HSSC to extract money from them, either by misprinting the marks of the petitioners in the interview and written test or by hiding the roll numbers of the petitioners. The same may have been hidden by the officials of the commission to extort money from the petitioners in the name of selection, they said. Taking cognizance of the matter, a single bench of Justice Sudhir Mittal ordered on May 9, 2018 that since specific allegations have been made, the matter needs to be investigated.